don't know the rules of the road? That could lead to serious trouble. Hi, I'm Mr. Traffic Rules, your instructor. Join our community and drive safely without worrying about fines. Today, we're tackling an important question about intersection right-of-way. This is a tricky situation, and only a few people get it right. Here's the scenario. Car A and Car B arrive at an intersection at the same time. Car A wants to turn left, while Car B wants to go straight. Who has the right-of-way? 1. Car A because it is turning left, 2. Car B because it is going straight, 3. Car B because it is on the right, 4. Car A because it is on the left. Think carefully and share your answer in the comments. Now, let's break it down. At a four-way stop, when two vehicles arrive at the same time, the vehicle on the left must yield to the vehicle on the right. In this case, Car B is positioned to the right of Car A, meaning Car B has the right-of-way. The correct answer is option 3. Congratulations if you got it right. Subscribe to the channel to stay confident on the road and avoid fines. Drive safely and take care.